Hi, I'm Emily Kaufman, the travel mom, here with my luggage tech suitcase and my dear friend Dana Asher Levine, known as the clothing therapist. She's a celebrity stylist and VIP shopper, and as part of her job, she packs these people for their travels, and she's going to share some tips with us.
Hi, Emily. Thanks so much for having me today. One of my first tips for all my clients is I get their schedule and I pack according to schedule. So whether it's a book tour, a family vacation, a business trip, we pack by outfits. Number two, I love to roll all my clothes so that I get more space. So I have everything rolled up. You can see what you have. Another great tip is I always put my socks in boots because that's a big space saver. Another one of my secret tips is I always pack shoes or purses or things I don't want anybody to see, whether they're opening my bag or searching for whatnot. I always make sure everything is under here that's of value or that you don't want anyone to see. And this is great because there's so much room, so I'm not like stuffing it in there. And lastly, I always travel with a super duper big jumbo Ziploc bag for dirty clothes or wet bathing suits if you're in a resort area. And I love this because I get to keep my extra Mophie, chargers, headphones, and whatnot. So there's lots of great areas to stuff things and hide things.
So what I'm taking away from this is that luggage tech is really a terrific practical way to travel because it's got so many different compartments, including stuff for your technology. And that's one of the things about luggage tech is it marries technology with style to create an ease with your travels. In fact, they've got a USB port on the suitcase. They've got spinner wheels, making it really easy to carry with you. It's got a digital built-in scale so you don't get up to the front of the line and think, oh no, my suitcase is overweight, and then you're pulling out your luggage and your belongings in front of everyone. Something else that's interesting is they've got an app that you can download to your smartphone to allow you to do GPS tracking so you never have to worry, did my suitcase make it? Oftentimes I get there to the baggage claim and you get this sinking feeling that your suitcase hasn't come off in the first 5, and you'll know that it's there. So luggagetech.com is a terrific resource to get all kinds of information. And Dana, what do you think about the style of this?
And might I say, navy, crocodile-esque, that is very chic. Anything navy is, well, my favorite color, but also super chic. And you can see your luggage coming down because it's unlike most of the other luggage is coming down.
Exactly. They've also got luggage straps by Luggage Tech so you can wrap your luggage with it, and that will help it to stand out a bit more as well. They've got the big suitcases that you can check. They've got carry-on luggage if that's what you want. They've also got a backpack tote bag and passport cases. So something for everybody at every price point at luggagetech.com. Thank you so much for sharing your insight.
Thank you for having me.